okumnyama. Unqondo kadakhi-ke lo okhulumayo uzakhele MJK. For I must fulfill the scriptures, kusho uJesu encwadini ka-Isaiah chapter 54. Ukhuluma nge-scripture kumele asifulfile of the past now that he is in the cross. Uthi angikwazi ukwehla manje esiphambanweni, ngehle because I must fulfill the scripture. Isihloko sami sanamhlanje ukufulfilla the scriptures, because if he didn't fulfill, then he is a liar, then God lied on Isaiah chapter 54. Mlaleli, kunabantu-ke mlaleli ababa nenkinga if wena uthandana nomuntu o-HIV positive and ngaso sikhathi wena you are not HIV, kanti you are fulfilling the scripture. Iscripture sithini? uJesu athi love your enemies, athi thanda umakhelwane ngendlela uzithanda ngayo. uJesu wahlala nezoni etafuleni, wadla nazo. Abafundi babuza, Nkosi, udla kanjani nabantu abayizoni? Kanti they didn't see ukuthi uJesu was fulfilling the scripture. Angikuthandi mlaleli, asiyekeleni ukujaja. Angikuvalelise mlaleli, okumnyama.